Hello everyone, this is Mayur Jagtap and welcome to My Capital Choice. As we updated on 2nd November when Nifty was traded at 17,927, there will be 100-point correction is on the way, as we updated on 2nd November. After that, market start falling and it reached to the 17,400. At that time we again gave some update, and that time I updated Nifty may correct more 100,000 points, and today exactly Nifty made low around 16,410. It is almost 1,515 points rally we captured in the index in last 1.5 months. So today we are looking what will be the possible moves in index, especially in Nifty index. So when we can go for the long positions, and this is the main questions among all of us, when we can expect up move in the market. So this green dotted line, which is 200 days moving average, Nifty may take support on this line of 200 DMA, which is around 16,245. Again, this is also possibility. We can draw the trend line from recent highs of index, and till this line will not break by index, we can't go for the long positions. So these two conditions, support at 200 DMS moving average and breakout through this trend line, either or both conditions fail fulfilled by the index, only after that we are going for the long positions. So what is the current scenario then? So what we need to do, or how we can take trade for upcoming few days or weeks? So we are able to see there is a support when we can draw line through the October month's moment, where market went through some consolidation range. So it is around 16,355. Around this range market may take support, or there will be major support around 15,900, which was our target. So market takes support around this range. This is major support 15,900. We expect market will not break this support. If break, then we can see a massive sell off in the market, as we saw the pattern which followed by index, which is step down pattern, index coming down by step through consolidation and downside fall. This is second and this is third phase. Now market going through the its fourth phase or fourth step. We may expect 4 stage formation along these lines. In this range market may get consolidated or range bound, and either side market will break out. We can also draw the trend line through recent highs. So this is around point which is around 17,000. So we may expect the breakout around this level or below also. The possibility we have to check as per market movement on the daily basis. So first, market may take support around 16,334. This is very good support for the market. If market not sustain for that level, then definitely 15,900, which is our target for the Nifty, that will be definitely reached by index. So after that we may see a possible up move after that breaking the trend line, this trend line which made by the recent highs of the market. So uh, we are not going until this trend line break upside by the index for long positions. Still we have bearish view on the market, and we are continuing with it, and we are continuing with it along with stop loss of 16,800. Now this is stop loss for the bearish positions. We are riding this downfall since 2nd of November, and we are still continuing with our bearish view, and there is no up move can be seen by us in upcoming 1 or 2 week. So let's hope at the end of the January month, and there will be budget. I think it is on 1st February. So until now, is there any positive news for the market by Ministry of Commerce or Ministry of Economics or any other ministry, or which is good for the economy or market, that may drive the up move in the market? So till we are continuing with our bearish view for the market. So this is update from our side. So thank you for watching video. Bye bye.